lang po meron tayo. Dahong mga legal. Dahong mga legal lang po tayo. Dahong legal lang po ang available for tonight's video, guys. Alright.
Alright. Ayan, gusto kong magpasalamat po sa SRF Family and Agency sa lahat po na nagpunta sa aking live house. Maraming salamat po sa inyong
Lagba ako,
support.
guys. Lagba si
Ayan,
Neneng A.
mapa beans man yan, mapa Recom cards man yan. Especially napaka-importante po ang inyong presence. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, lipat tayo kay Ate Neneng A. Lipat tayo mga guys. At marami pang pakulo si Ate Neneng A sa kanyang live house for tonight. Alright.
Thank you, Ardell. Thank you. Yes, 1 minute to go, guys. It's going to be my live house. Yes, thank you, guys. And live house starts right now. We're going to sing a OPM song that's called Lihim by Arthur Miguel, guys. And it goes like this. Hello po, monitor. Hello, welcome, guys. Tumawag ka sa akin, sundan aking himig. Huwag na magtago, di naman magbabago. Di kailangan sabihin, walang dapat tuwihin o aking bituin. Ikaw ang hiling, huwag mong pigilan, hayaan mong kusa. Humawag pa sa'kin, sundin ang damdamin o sumama ka sa'kin. At tayo ay sasayaw sa kulog at ulan, iikutin ang tala at buwan habang tayo ay naliligaw. Pakinggan ang puso, huwag nang bibitaw. Huwag nang magtago-taguan, kita naman sa liwanag ng buwan ang lihim na patingin kailan aaminin. Thank you po sa mga recommendation card, guys. Thank you po sa pag-attend ng aking live house. This is Neneng A. Nagpi. Thank you, guys. Let's just send recommendation cards. Higit ng hangin, dinadala ka sa akin. Thank you, Luna. Kaplano, pero di sigurado. Nakaumong tingin sa'yo lang hihimbing. Ikaw at ako ang nasa likod ng mga ulap. Huwag mong titigan, hayaan mong pusa. Humawak ka sa'kin, sundin ang damdamin o sumama ka sa'kin. Thank you, guys. At tayo ay sasayaw sa kulog at ulan, ikutin ang tala at buwan habang tayo ay naliligaw. Pakinggan ang puso, huwag nang bibitaw. Huwag nang magtago-taguan, kita naman sa liwanag ng buwan ang lihim na pagtingin kailan aaminin. Thank you po sa recommendation card, manager. Thank you, guys. This is Neneng A. Please do follow me, guys, and I will follow you back after this live stream. Win lucky, win big. Sa humawak ka sa'kin, sundin ang damdamin o sumama ka sa'kin. At tayo ay sasayaw sa kulog at ulan, iikutin ang tala at buwan habang tayo ay naliligaw. Pakinggan ang puso, huwag nang bibitaw. Huwag nang magtago-taguan, kita naman sa liwanag ng buwan ang lihim na patingin kailan aaminin. win lucky, win big, guys. Kailan aaminin? Yes, and that is Lihim. And I would like to say thank you sa mga nag-attend ng aking live house tonight, especially sa aking Sugar Roll family and to my manager, Madam Nikki. Thank you po. And we're going to play more songs for you guys. And it goes like this. This one is called River. This one is called 214 by River Maya. And it goes like this. The word I speak before you make me feel that the love I left for you see no ending. But do you look into my eyes and you should know? Thank you. There's nothing here to doubt, nothing to feel. Welcome guys, welcome Eki. You can lay your questions down, cause you hold me. So we can fade into the night, and you know the world could die and everything may lie, so you should hide. Cause time may pass, and longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Welcome guys! Thank you po sa Reco Card. Welcome back Luna! Take my hand and you could close your eyes so you could understand that there's a greater love tonight than what I for you. Well, if you feel the same way for me, then let it go. We can journey to a garden no one knows. But for sure, my darling, tell me that you love me. So we can fade it till the night, then you know the world could die, and everything may lie, so you should hide. Welcome guys, we're lucky, win big. This time may pass, and longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Thank you guys, maraming salamat po. Thank you, Sugar Roll family. Salamat po sa pagkakalala ng aking live house tonight. Thank you po. I want you to know the world could lie and everything may die, so you should hide. Yes, time may pass and everything won't last. I'll be by your side, forever by your side, forever by your side, so you won't cry. Hello, thank you. Yes, and that is 214 by River Maya, guys. And this is Nanning A ng Salamat Pia. Welcome to my live stream, live house tonight. We're going to play more songs for you guys. Salamat po sa lahat na nag-attend ng aking live house. Thank you guys. Win lucky, win big. Yeah, so we're going to play more songs for you, and this one is a OPM, and it's called Oh Oh. Yes, Yes, Yo by Up, Down, or Down, and it goes like this. Welcome, guys. Di mo lang alam, naiisip kita. Baka sakali lang maisip mo ako. Di mo lang alam, hanggang sa gabi inaasam makita kang muli. Nagtapos ang lahat sa di inaasahang panahon. At ngayon ako'y iyong iniwang luwan. Sugatan ay mapakinabangan. Sana'y nagtanong ka lang kung di mo lang alam. Sana'y nagtanong ka lang kung di mo lang alam. Ako yung nasaktan. Baka sakali lang maisip mo naman. Hindi mo lang alam kahit tagal na panahon. Ako'y nandirito pa rin hanggang ngayon para sa'yo. Lumipas mga araw na upo ng saya. Di pa rin nagpabago ang aking pagsinta. Kung ako'y nagkasala, patawad na sana. Ang puso kong pagdal ngayon lang nagmahal. Ho, 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 di mo lang alam. Ako yung nasaktan. O baka sakali lang naisip mo naman ang puro siya na lang. Sana'y ako naman di mo lang alam. Ika'y minamasdan. Sana iyong mamalayang hindi mo lang pangalan. Di mo lang alam. Kahit tayo'y magkaibigan lang. Bumabalik lahat sa tuwing nakukulitan. Baka sakali lang maisip mo naman. Ako'y nandito lang, hindi mo lang alam. Baka matalino ka naman kung ikaw at ako, thank you po, ay tunay na bigo. Sa laro na ito ay dapat bang sumuko? Sana hindi ka na lang pala nakilala. Kung alam ko lang ako'y masasaktan ng ganito. Sana'y nakinig na lang ako sa nanay ko. Di mo lang alam ako yung nasaktan. O baka sakali lang maisip mo naman puro siya na lang. Sa'yo ko man di mo lang alam. Kahit may nawasan. Sana iyong mamalayang hindi mo lang alalayan. Di mo lang alam. Kahit malas mo, ikaw ang natipuan ko. Di mo lang alam, ako yung nasaktan. Yes, and that is Oh by Up Dharma Down, guys. And this is Nening Ina B. And welcome to my live house tonight. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na nag-attend ng aking live house, guys. Maraming salamat. And we're going to pick another song, guys. And this one is called You Will Be Safe Here by River Maya. Thank you guys sa lahat po na nagbabato. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa aking family, Sugar Roll family, thank you guys. And this one, it goes like this. Welcome guys, welcome! OPM pa rin tayo guys, and this one is called You'll Be Safe Here, and this is Neneng A na B, and I'm going to be your host for tonight. Thank you guys. Nobody know just why. Wala naman ako, ang ingay naman ng gift na yun. Thank you po sa gift. Nobody knows just why we're here. Just why we're here. Circumstance. The right place at the right time. Two roads intertwine. Welcome po, Ate Insyang Marcos. And if the universe conspires. Welcome guys. No life to make us view all and find. Then know whatever you will be shall be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause there's nothing seems clear. You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Worry hard, you'll be safe here. Win lucky, win big, guys. Remember how we laughed until we cried at the most stupid things, like we were so high. Welcome, sana all high. Love was all that we were. We belong. But though the world could never understand, it's unlikely you knew and why it still stands. Someday though we will be set free. Pray and believe. Hey, when the light disappears and the sheer world's insincere, you'll be safe here when nobody hears scream. Welcome, Cloud. I scream with you. You'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here. Ooh. Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears, wounded heart. Disappears in the shiver insincere. You'll be safe here when no one hears scream. I'll be screaming with you. You'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here. No one understands. safe. You'll be safe here. Ooh. Put your heart in my hand. You'll be safe here. Yes, and that is You'll Be Safe Here by River Maya. And still, this is Neneng A na B. We're going to play more songs for you guys. And we're going to pick another song. And this one is called Susunod na Habang Buhay by Ben and Ben. And it goes like this. Thank you guys sa lahat po na nag-attend at sa lahat nagbabato. Thank you very much. Sugar family, thank you po. This is Neneng A na B. Please do follow me and I will follow you back later guys after this live stream. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Win lucky, win big. Kaya namang maghayanan kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot tumaroan, pag natuyo na ang luha, parang nahipan ang iyong kandila. Hinit ay wala, hindi pa pangako mo nung una, tiwala'y iingatan, baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay ay na lang. Di talaga inasahan magkagulo, magkagulatan, tahanan pinagpagulan. Saan napunta? Hindi pa pangako mo nung una, iwala'y ingatan, baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay ay. Yes, thank you guys sa lahat nang nag-attend ng aking live house. Wow, welcome guys! Thank you guys sa my Shiro family. Thank you very much. Madam Nikki, maraming salamat po. Welcome, Liza, welcome! Hindi pa pangako mo nung una, wala'y iingatan, baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay at kahit na bago na ng oras, ang puso may nabutas, ikaw pa rin sa susunod na habang buhay Your nose, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Okay, good for you. ikaw pa rin. Shani, Shani, ang pipiliin. Shall we, guys? Kung mahalin sa susunod na habang buhay. Thank you po sa lahat po na send ng appreciation. It is highly appreciated. Thank you, guys. Please do send recommendation card, guys. Thank you, thank you. And that is a susunod na habang buhay by Ben and Ben, guys. And we're going to play another song. It's still OPM, and this one is called With a Smile. Bye. Eraserheads, and it goes like this. Thank you, guys. Salamat po sa lahat. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along your way. You get by with a smile. You can win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore, that sounds funny, but I say it anyway. Girl, I say through the bad times, even if I cannot fetch you every day. Thank you, Paul. You get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In the world where anybody, it's a happy ending story. It's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Thank you, guys. Let me hear you sing it. Let me hear you sing in the world where anybody hates the happy ending story. And one never said that there's an easy way. Do they burn it? Si Teki na? Ay, oo nga, si Teki na pala. I'm so sorry. Masyado tayo nasisiyahan, mga guys. We're going to introduce our next... Talia? Where is Teki? Where is Teki? Please, please. We're just waiting for Teki to be available for us to invite, guys. It's already 8:28. Hindi pa siya available. Eto si Teki nakalabas na yan, oh. Copy. Hindi ko pa siya ma-invite. Dalia.